Good morning friends, my name is Karthik and welcome to my channel Extreme Wheels. Now we are at Honda Elite showroom, Rajahmundry. Today we are going to do Honda City review. English. Right now we are with Satish, so he will guide us.
New 5th generation Honda City. Yes. So here comes with the new Honda 5th generation City. Coming with the new features. This comes with inbuilt Alexa compatibility and projector LED headlamps. We have, and we have a design which is the Honda newly launched the new model. This one. And we have some basic version we have comes with the alloy wheels, 15-inch alloy wheels, and it comes with internal wheel too. And if we go inside we comes with all the features like we have a tilt and telescopic adjustment steering, and it comes with the cruise control is also. So it comes with a cruise control, and it's a push start button. One push start button and a smart key entry system we have. And here we are coming with a 7.7 digital screen. It comes with a multi-view reverse camera is also coming, and we have a AC auto climate AC control is also coming with this one, and we have 6-speed manual transmission. And if we come to the rear seating, see the sitting position and everything, and we have a lumbar support and everything is there for a comfortable ride and comfortable sitting. And if we see the leg room is also it's a more, if you compare with other vehicles, it's a more, and headroom is also so high, and leg room is also. See, even the 6 feet person can sit in easily. And we have a rear AC vents also. So here also we are coming with a LED tail lamps. Boot space, larger boot space, comes with a 5-ton liters, which we carry more luggage and everything.
So what is the difference between Verna and this?
So Verna and this one is between. So it's Honda is every time Honda is offering a unlimited 5 years unlimited kilometers warranty for engine, gearbox and suspension is coming with, and a more interior space, cabin space is more high than other vehicles, and engine life and a good mileage and everything.
So what's the mileage company is claiming?
Company is claiming 25 kilometers.
Okay, according to ERA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how is the maintenance cost and service charge?
Sir, petrol is maintenance cost very low. Petrol maintenance cost is only per 10,000 kilometers and everything are annual. So 3,500 will cost for a maintenance and engine oil change, everything. And mainly the why maintenance is low means the timing chain is it's not necessary to change the timing chain after 70 kilometers.
So how many services are free?
First 3 services are free.
Okay, how?
So first service is the 1,000 kilometers or 1 month.
Okay, what will be the charge of that?
No charges are there.
Okay, second?
And second service is the 5,000 kilometers or 6 months.
Okay, what will be the charge?
There is no charges for that. In third service is also labor free, only engine oil will be costed.
Okay, how much will be the engine oil cost?
Our engine oil cost will be like 1,500, 2,000.
Okay. So coming to Verna and this, how much is the difference of the maintenance cost and everything?
It's about up to 5 to 4,000 difference are there for maintenance.
Okay.
So Honda is the more maintenance vehicle.
Okay, can you show me the top end as well as features?
Yes, sir.
So here friends, here is the one more color, which is Honda City top end black color. It comes in shiny black, phantom black it is known as.
Actually, it's a golden brown metallic.
Okay.
Actually, it looks like black color, but Honda doesn't offer a black color.
Okay.
So the most of the customers, they ask for a black color. That's why they come with the golden brown metallic. It's like shining like from a long distance. It's look like a black. From if the sunset will be come, it will be golden color will be appear. If you see in the top end, the additional features will be added. Additional features will be added. So it comes with 9-ray LED headlamps. Okay, and 9-ray LED headlamps and 16-inch alloy wheel. 16-inch alloy wheel. Vehicle front back. Vehicle front back. Earlier we seen the basic variant is there. So and in this version, so additionally adding is they are adding for petrol top and outer gear. So they are adding paddle shifts. They were adding paddle shifts,
Okay.
which we enjoy manual also,
Okay.
manual drive also, which we enjoy manual drive. So when we want, if in outer gear also we can enjoy the manual gear system. So through shifting the gears through paddle shifts. And so additional feature they added into this one is so if we turn on the left side signal, so lane watch camera will be appear. We can see left side lane vehicles which are coming from this. It's easy to find out,
Like Civic.
like Civic. Yes.
Okay.
So and another one, if you see the from the basic version, they added into leather seats. Okay, leather seats, and it comes in with a sunroof, open sunroof. Comes with the open sunroof. And if you see the lights, everything, including headlamps and everything, it will comes with the LED lights. Those are LED lights.
Okay.
So rear is the same like same as like in basic variant which we earlier we see, but the seats coming with the leather interior, which will look
So is the height adjustment as well as ABS is standard across all the variants?
Yes, sir. In Honda, they are giving some features which are mandatory for Honda any vehicle. 5 years unlimited kilometers warranty, and so for vehicle safety features are 2 airbags are coming, and power steering and 4-door power windows are coming with them, and reverse parking sensors and ABS with the EVD braking system.
Okay.
These
And
are
6
mandatory in
airbags is
Honda.
coming in which variant?
Yes, sir.
6 airbags is coming in which variant?
So in top end version only they are giving 6 airbags.
Okay. From basic to mid end, what are the features and differences you can observe? Like what are the variants?
Variants. So there are 3 variants in there. 3 variants.
Okay, tell me about them.
So the basic variant, it comes with so everything features, reverse camera, navigation, so headlamps, projector
Okay.
headlamps.
What variant it is?
V variant.
Okay.
So it comes with V variant. It comes with every features. If you go to the top end version, it comes with additional features that they are giving like leather interior and open sunroof and LED headlamps and 16-inch alloy wheel and everything lighting in the vehicle. Everything lighting will be the LED headlamps.
Okay. Are there any features at the back side which are being added to the car? In the top end?
Top end there is nothing to highlight in the back side.
Okay.
They are giving same
And what is the ground clearance of the vehicle?
165.
Same as if like previous.
Yes.
So what is the ground clearance difference between Verna and this one?
Verna is okay. Verna is coming with same ground clearances also.
Okay.
So 165, 165.
And what is the length of the car?
4.5 meters.
Okay. And height?
So height it comes with Exactly, we can't tell.